how to add payment method in Uber Eats mobile app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add the payment method in Uber Eats app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account section. Now here, in this page, you can see the wallet option at the top of the screen. So just tap on it, and now here, once you're inside the wallet, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as add payment method. So simply tap on it, and here on the new page you will see different options like bank account, credit or debit card, PayPal, gift card, etc. So here I'm gonna simply choose credit or debit card, and after that on the next page I need to enter my payment credential. So here I need to enter my card number, my card expiry date, my CVV, my card currency, and here once you're done with that, simply enter the nickname too. And here once you're done entering everything, just tap on next, and after that just tap on add, and after that your payment method will be added. And now you can select it as your default payment or choose it at checkout when placing an order. And that's it. Now you know how to add a payment method in Uber Eats easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.